In the bustling world of traffic and highways, defensive driving is essential for safety. Much more than just a set of skills, defensive driving is a mindset, a commitment to proactive measures that safeguard drivers, passengers, and fellow road users from potential accidents. Before operating a vehicle, there are crucial steps that every driver should take to ensure a safe and secure driving experience. First, it is imperative to conduct a thorough pre-drive check, examining the vehicle's condition. This includes checking tire pressure, fluid levels, lights, and brakes. Ensuring that the vehicle is in optimal working condition not only enhances safety, but also contributes to fuel efficiency and overall performance. In addition to the vehicle inspection, drivers should buckle up and adjust their seats, mirrors, and steering wheel to comfortable and ergonomic positions. Adjusting these elements not only optimizes visibility and control, but also minimizes the risk of fatigue or discomfort during the drive. Familiarizing oneself with the vehicle's controls, including lights, wipers, and indicators, is also essential to respond promptly to changing road conditions. Regular inspections also foster a sense of responsibility and accountability among drivers, encouraging a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance. Well-maintained vehicles are not only safer, but also more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly. Drivers who prioritize vehicle inspections demonstrate a commitment to road safety, setting a positive example for others on the importance of maintaining vehicles in optimal condition.